Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Thursday's Daily Financial Digest. And here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
The Bitcoin dollar pair exploded 7.8% in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a negative signal. The euro dollar pair plummeted 1.6% in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a positive signal. The pound dollar pair plummeted 1% in the last session. According to the CCI, we are in an oversold market. The last session saw the Aussie drop 0.7% against the dollar. The stochastic indicator is giving a positive signal.
And now let's hear what our chief analyst picked up for us today.
Elon Musk stands to benefit greatly from his ties with US President-elect Donald Trump after the Tesla CEO became one of Trump's most important supporters during the 2024 campaign. Tesla shares jumped 14% on Wednesday after Trump defeated Vice President Kamala Harris. US President-elect Donald Trump's impending return to the White House appears to put the Federal Reserve on a slower and shallower path for interest rate cuts, with a slew of new policies embraced by the Republican leader poised to juice the economy and stall or reverse the slowdown in inflation. Upward of $1 billion worth of BlackRock's Bitcoin exchange-traded fund changed hands in the first minutes of trading after Donald Trump prevailed in the United States presidential election. Trump has said he wants to make America the crypto capital of the world.
Those were today's major economic events. And now, moving on to world financial headlines.
The US FOMC press conference will be released at 19:30 GMT. Australia's exports at 0:30 GMT. Japan's JP foreign reserves at 23:50 GMT. Japan's 10Y bond auction will be released at 3:35 GMT. Australia's trade balance at 0:30 GMT. Germany's industrial production at 7 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Thursday's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.